Few know this secret. Don't make empanadas before seeing this recipe. I'll start by adding a little olive oil in a pan. Then I will add a chopped onion into small cubes. 3 crushed garlic cloves and fry for 3 minutes or until soft. Now I will add 350 grams of ground beef, which must be well washed. And I'll spice it up with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of paprika, a pinch of black pepper, and cook the ground beef for 10 minutes. By the way, tell me here below from where you are watching us, to thank you for following our recipes. And in this way we must have the meat. I will reserve it for a moment. Next, in a bowl I will put a strainer, then I will add 2 cups of cornmeal. Also, 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, and I will sift it well with the strainer. Guys, this recipe is easy and looks delicious. I recommend making it at home and then come back to tell me if you liked it. Now I will add in the flour, a pinch of salt, also a splash of oil, a cup of water, and with my hands I will incorporate the ingredients until I get a compact mixture. But if you need more water, you can add it without problem. Take advantage and leave me here below which city or country you are seeing us, to thank you for seeing our recipes. Today's greeting is for Shaw Spencer, who looks at us from Mississippi, also for Jean Stevens from New York, and Sarah Sheikh, who looks at us from Pakistan. Thanks to these 3 followers for seeing our recipes. When the mixture is like this, I will take some of the dough and make a ball with it. Then on a kitchen table I will place a piece of fit paper. I'll immediately put the ball I've made in the center. Then I will put another piece of fit paper on top of it, and with a kitchen table I will crush it very well, in this way as I am doing. Now in the center I will add 2 tablespoons of the ground beef I have cooked. Also some grated mozzarella cheese. And I will proceed to close the empanada as follows, as I do closing the edges very well. And so in this way we must have the empanadas. In a pan with hot oil I will fry it until golden brown on both sides. If you have come seeing today's recipe so far, that means that you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message, incredible recipes, to be able to send you a very special greeting. And already our cornmeal empanadas are ready. I hope you liked this recipe, although I would like you to rate it from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. If you have come seeing this recipe so far, leave me below the next word, delicious, to know that you saw the recipe until the end. Thank you for